What's up, MONTAVILLA? My name's Sam House. Welcome to my crib. Alright, come on up into the lounge area. You gotta take your shoes off when you come into the lounge area. So, as you can see, we're fully stocked on Crocs. We got a Croc stock back here. We got Crocs for every occasion. We got blue Crocs, we got dark blue Crocs, we got black Crocs, we got Croc slides, you name it. We're kind of a Croc crew up here. So now that my Crocs are off and my socks are on, as you can see, I can kind of lounge around in the lounge area, look out the window, maybe just soak it in. Maybe I'm kind of getting a little hungry, so come on with me, we'll step right into the kitchen. We got a fully stocked fridge. Look at that fridge in there. We got we got some more Pollards, we got some Alani, we got some bags of food. Let's break out one of the cutting boards that are custom fit to the sink. Slap the cutting board there. You start chopping. You got access to your sink right here. Alright, we've been lounging a while. I think it's time we go to bed. You know what I mean? Alright, let me show you how we set up the bed. Full queen size bed, ready to go. I like to, come up here. I got a 9-inch flat screen monitor. Just huge flat screen right here, ready to go. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Well, while we're back here, might as well check out this massive one bike garage we have in the back. As you can see, it's huge. Fits a bike no problem, just partial disassembly required. It's cool. It's a cool garage. You might feel like you have to go to the bathroom. Well, trust me, we thought of that. This place features 8 bathrooms all around. So out here we got bathroom number 1 right here. There's bathroom number 2 over here. Bathroom number 3 through 5 are over here. And then 6, 7, and 8 are on the other side of the van over there. Alright, well, I think that about wraps up the tour. So, thanks for coming out, checking out my crib, but it's time for me to hunker down. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Seriously, get out of my crib. Fuck out of my crib. Get out.